Need to rig your character fast? Maya's Quick Rig tool can build a full biped skeleton and controls in just minutes. Let's get started. Go to the Rigging menu set, then click Skeleton Quick Rig. This opens the Quick Rig window, Maya's automated rigging system. In the Quick Rig window, click the plus button to create a new rig character. Then click the I button next to it to rename your character. Name it whatever you like. Here you can choose one-click option for auto-generate or step-by-step. I'm chose step-by-step option, then select the model and click Add button. Next, click Create Guide. Maya generates guide markers for each main body joint, spine, arms, legs, and head. These markers help you manually place joints to match your model's proportions. Move guide locators to fit the character. You should use this mirror button to update opposite side. When your guide looks good, click Create Skeleton. Maya builds a full joint chain based on your guide positions. Now click Create Skin. This binds your mesh to the skeleton automatically. You can test it by moving the controls or joints. Your character should move with the rig. Try moving arms, legs, and the root controls to test the deformation. If some areas deform incorrectly, open the Paint Skin Weights tool to fine-tune the skin weights. You've created a full working rig using Maya's Quick Rig tool, step by step. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fast Maya tips.